Hey TechKnowStuds! Your operating system actually has a big role in managing your different drives. It needs to do formatting and reading and writing and all sorts of tasks on this drive. So in this lesson, let's start laying out what that looks like. Your storage devices are made up of some sort of media. They have some sort of characteristics. They play a component on your computer. They have different form factors and there's different protocols and interfaces that they may be using to communicate with your computer. But the fact is that there's a lot that's missing from this, that we need to figure out how to put data onto this device and extract data from this device. This is just the physical hardware of this device. We need to also interact with this and logically set this up. You can think of this as a container. This device right here has these containers that we can put information into. It also has an interface that we can physically connect to it. But once again, the operating system needs to know how to retrieve information from and put information into these different little containers that are on this device. But it can get a little confusing if we're just pulling data in and out of these little containers. And so we need some sort of representation of how to grab this information. So another thing that your operating system does, it provides navigation so you can see the data that's actually stored in these devices. In fact, if we want to break this down, your operating system does reads in from the system, it does writes to the system, it presents information that's on these devices, and then we also can use our operating system to prepare and manage these devices. Another thing that your operating system is capable of doing is protecting the data on your device. That is, we don't want anybody just to be able to get onto our device and read all of our personal stuff or be able to change the stuff that we have on it. And so there's this additional protection where it protects the data that's stored on these devices.